When it comes to improving your home, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing or installing new windows. Whether you're looking to boost your home's curb appeal, enhance comfort, or improve energy efficiency, choosing professional window installation in Metairie can be a wise decision that saves you money in the long run. Here's how professional installation can offer a significant return on investment. Expert installation for optimal performance. Windows are essential for keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. When you opt for professional window installation in Metairie, you're ensuring the job is done right from the start. Proper installation is key to maximizing the performance of your windows. A professional installer has the skills and experience to ensure that your windows are sealed tightly, preventing drafts and air leaks. Poorly installed windows, on the other hand, can lead to higher energy costs because they allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. A well-installed window prevents moisture buildup, which can cause mold or rot, leading to expensive repairs over time. The correct installation can also ensure that your windows open and close smoothly, offering added convenience and security. Improved energy efficiency. Metairie's climate can vary, with hot summers and cool winters. As a result, your windows play a crucial role in regulating your home's internal temperature. Windows that are properly installed can significantly improve your home's insulation. Professional installation helps you avoid gaps, cracks, and improper seals that can cause your energy bills to rise. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter by reducing the amount of heat that enters or escapes. When windows are correctly installed, you're maximizing the energy efficiency of your home and reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. This leads to long-term savings by cutting down on your monthly utility bills. Avoiding costly mistakes. While DIY window installation may seem like a good way to save money up front, the truth is that improper installation can lead to expensive mistakes. An improperly installed window might seem fine at first, but over time, it can develop issues that require costly repairs or replacement. Misaligned windows can lead to damage to your home's structure, including the walls, frames, or siding. Furthermore, any damage caused by incorrect installation might void the warranty on your new windows. Professional installers are equipped to avoid these pitfalls, ensuring your investment is protected. They also have the knowledge to handle any potential challenges, from dealing with tricky window sizes to ensuring your windows meet local building codes. This reduces the risk of costly errors that could arise from an amateur attempt. Increased home value. One of the biggest financial benefits of professional window installation is the potential increase in your home's value. Well-installed, energy-efficient windows can boost your property's curb appeal and make your home more attractive to prospective buyers. If you ever decide to sell your home, modern, energy-efficient windows are a major selling point, as homebuyers are increasingly looking for homes that help them save on energy costs. Additionally, high-quality window installation can enhance the overall aesthetics of your home, giving it a fresh, updated look. Buyers tend to be willing to pay more for homes that require fewer immediate repairs or upgrades, and new windows contribute to that overall impression of a well-maintained property. Long-term durability. A professional window installation ensures that your windows last for years to come. When installed correctly, windows are better equipped to withstand the elements and resist wear and tear. This longevity helps you avoid the costs of frequent repairs or replacements. With the right installation, you can rest assured that your windows will perform effectively over time, saving you money by reducing the need for maintenance or replacement. Peace of mind with warranty protection. Most professional window installers offer warranties on their work, which adds an extra layer of financial security. If something goes wrong after installation, you can rest easy knowing the issue will be addressed without additional cost to you. Whether it's a problem with the window seal or an installation issue, a warranty ensures you're not left holding the bill for problems that arise through no fault of your own. Conclusion. Investing in professional window installation in Metairie is not just about improving the look of your home. It's also about ensuring long-term savings. By improving energy efficiency, preventing costly mistakes, and enhancing your home's value, professional installation offers a wealth of financial benefits. So, whether you're looking to cut down on your energy bills, avoid future repair costs, or increase the resale value of your property, professional window installation is a smart and cost-effective choice.